Honorable Principal, respectable teachers, and my school fellows, Assalamu alaikum. Today, the topic of my speech is importance of teachers. Teachers play a very important role in the shaping the future of their students, right from kindergarten to university. They are the ones who impart knowledge and teach us about everything important. Moreover, they also teach us about ethical values and imbibe in our moral values. Thus, we can say that teachers shape our personality into something very strong and wonderful. A world without teachers would be definitely chaotic. There are only a few people in our lives who impact our world. The teachers are definitely one of them. They assume the role of an educator and caregiver for their students. Sometimes they also become our friends and help us with personal problems. A teacher is the one who will help you become a better person and an informed one. Moreover, they see the potential of their students when no one else can. Teachers also decide the fate of a nation as the youth is in their hands. When the youth is educated and informed, naturally the future of the country will be in safe hands. In fact, the fate of students is in the hands of their teachers. They push the students to achieve greater heights and become successful. Consequently, they turn out to be doctors, lawyers, pilots, scientists, and more, only with the help of a teacher. Thank you.